Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am glad to review this sample provided by occiam. So thank you, occiam, for the earbud sample. This is the case, and I love the product. So mine are color blue. This is the charging stations. You have here the right, the left, and here is going to light up one, and it's letting you know about the charge battery. So all you have to do is put them here. This is how you charge them. It comes in a little box with the accessories where you can find the charger, and you just plug it to the computer or plug it to the power. Also, there are different sizes in the plugs, in the earbuds. So you have small, medium, and large. And this is how they look. The different sizes for the earbuds. So this is the big, and here are the small. That's important for you to know which size do you feel comfortable with. Also, here is the user manual where you can learn about like the different things of the earbuds, how to take care of them, how to use them. But what I like about this, you can use them for working out. They are sweat proof, waterproof. Also, you can play your music, go to the next song, go to the previous song. You can also answer calls, hang up calls, and reject calls. So they're very useful. I see myself using them in a day on a daily basis. I hope you like them. I hope you check them out. I love them. Thank you for watching my video.